Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and install Wireshark on Windows, the most popular network protocol analyzer. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a Windows PC, internet access, and few minutes of time to install Wireshark and its required components. So first, we open a browser and go to the official website of Wireshark. So I've directly searched for Wireshark download and it shows me this first link. So I'll go to this link. You'll see the downloads for multiple platform, that is Windows 64 ARM. So we need to click on Windows 64 unless you're an ARM device, then choose ARM 64, save the file to your computer. So I'll just be clicking on the first Windows and then I will download it. Once downloaded, just go to the files and double click to start the installer. Windows will ask for permission, so click yes to continue. Now the Wireshark setup wizard will open. Click next to begin. Say noted. On the component screen, most of the users can keep the default selection. This includes the main Wireshark program and Npcap, which is required to capture live network traffic. You can also choose whether to install desktop icon and other extras. So I'll be just choosing the desktop icon, and we can keep the destination folder as default. And this is the most important thing in Wireshark installation. You'll likely see this kind of prompt to install Npcap. This is essential if you want to capture packets from your network. Make sure install Npcap is checked and click next. If it is not checked, just click it to check it and go next, and keep all the settings as default and we'll just install. Now it is asking me permission to install Npcap, which is necessary if we want to analyze the network traffic. So I'll just say agree and keep all things as default and just say install. When it's done, click finish. So we have installed the Npcap. We'll just click on finish. So our installation is complete. We'll just finish and that's it. You have successfully installed Wireshark on Windows. Go ahead and open it to start capturing and analyzing network traffics. And this is our Wireshark. So it is showing me these networks, which are live networks. You can also go to Wireshark sample capture link. So I'll provide both the links, download link and sample link in the description. And you can download whichever packets, sample packets you need to see in the Wireshark. So I've already downloaded a package. So if I just double click on this and open this with Wireshark, I will see what is there in the packet. So there are only three packets here, and that's it for the installation. And a couple of tips before you go: you may need to run Wireshark as administrator to capture live traffic. If packet capture doesn't work, make sure Npcap installation was done properly. It requires for live capture. So if this helps you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have got questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching.